In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how you can pronounce commonly mispronounced words. Alright? Let's get started. This word is pronounced prefer, but the second one is pronounced preferable. This is recite, but this is not recitation, it's recitation. Listen and repeat after me. Recite, recitation. Good. Look at this. How do you pronounce this? Clean. Good. What about this? Cleanliness? No. This word is pronounced cleanliness. Cleanliness. Right. This south. South. This southern. Southern. What about this? Photo. 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 This photograph. Photograph. And this photographer. 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 This please. Please, not please. Please. This pleasant. Pleasant. Please, pleasant. This magic. Not magic. It's magic. Magic. But this magician. Magician. Not magician. Not magician. It's magician. Magician. This bath. Not bats. It's bath. Bath. This bathe. Bathe. It's about this. Desert. 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 And this dessert. 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 Desert. Dessert. What about this? Accent. Accent. And this accent. 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 All right, I want you to listen to these conversations for you to practice the right pronunciation of these words. Good morning. You prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea, but coffee is sometimes more preferable when I'm tired.
That makes sense. Can you recite the poem for today?
Yes, I practiced the recitation carefully last night.
Excellent. Before we begin, please clean the board.
No problem. I believe cleanliness helps us focus better.
True. Have you ever traveled to South?
Yes, the southern region has a very calm atmosphere.
Impressive. Now, let's continue. Do you sign your work clearly?
Yes, my signature is always neat and readable.
Do you speak confidently in class?
I try my best. My speech is improving every day.
That's great to hear. Do you take care of your health?
Yes, I try to stay healthy because good health is important.
Strong effort. Do you feel strong after your practice session?
Yes, my strength has improved over time.
Nice. Do you usually measure things that are wide?
Yes, usually check the words carefully.